Good morning, Montfortians. I hope you all are fine. So, dear students, as we have done question 1, 2, and 3 of chapter 1, so I hope you all have done that in your notebook. So, today we are going to start with the question number 4 and 5 along with back exercise. So, everybody, open your English notebook, write down date and the grade task on the top. Then we'll start with the question answer. Let's get started. Let's start with the question answer. First of all, you will write date, day, grade task on the top. Then we will write chapter 1, at the park, question answer. So question number 4 we will do. Where did Maya and Raj go after playing on the swing? After playing on the swing, where Maya and Raj go? So answer is Maya and Raj went. I told you in third question also, if did is there, we will use past form. Okay, so went is the past form of go. Maya and Raj went to play on the slide after playing on the swing. After playing on the swing, where did they go? They went to the slide. Okay, next question, question number 5. Why did Raj not want to go home? Why did Raj don't want to go home, didn't want to go home? So let us read the answer. Why we have read in the chapter. Raj did not want to go home because he wanted to play in the park, because he wanted to play more in the park. So he was saying, I don't want to go to home. Okay, so these are your two questions. Write in your notebook. After this, open your English book. We will start with the back exercise also. Okay, so this is our back exercise. Everybody has to open page number 5 in your book. Today's date you can write here on the top, 21 April 2021. Okay, and the grade task. So let's start. Who said this? Write Maya or Raj on the blank. We have to write just Maya and Raj only. Who said this? Let us start. In these, you can see in this question there are some lines. You just have to tell which line is spoken by whom. Let's get started from first. Let us go to the park. Who said these lines? We have read the chapter, so these lines were said by Maya. So we have written here Maya. We will write only name. Okay, so Maya we will write here. Next is let us play, throw and catch. So who said these lines? We will write here R-A-J, Raj. Let us go to the seesaw. Who said let us go to the seesaw? Maya. Maya said. So we will write here Maya. Let us go on the swing. Who said this? We will go on the swing. These lines were spoken by Raj. Okay. Next line. I want to go on the slide. Then these lines were said by whom? Maya. Maya said, and now I want to go on the slide. Okay. Next, number 6. I do not want to go home. Who said these lines? I don't want to go home. Yes, Raj. Raj said, I don't want to go home. So these are who said this. We just have to write who spoke these lines. So be careful. All are looking different. So don't get confused. Okay, who said which line? Clear? Then this we will not do. You can put a small cross here. This we have done in the notebook. Now turn the next page, page number 6. This is our page number 6. As you can see, pictures are given on this. Name these pictures from the lesson. You have seen these pictures are there in the lesson. So what you have to do, you just have to see the picture and you have to write the name. In the first picture it is wall. So we will write here W-A-L-L, wall. Second is gate, G-A-T-E, gate. Third is slide. So we will write slide spelling as L-I-D-E, slide. Fourth is seesaw. So we will write here seesaw. Okay. Next is swing. So you will write swing spelling as W-I-N-G, swing, and the last are flowers. So we will write here flowers spelling flowers, flowers. So you just have to see the picture and you have to write the name of the image. Next question, find the opposites of these words from the lesson, write them on the blanks. In the chapter, we have read the chapter, there are opposites are there, so we have to read from the we have to see from the chapter. Okay, so I have written here, we will write like this: outside meaning opposite of outside, inside opposites we have done in grade 1 also, outside, inside. Few, few means very less, few opposite of few, many. Few means suppose there are few balls are there, many means there are so many balls are there. Okay, so few opposites is many. Next is low, opposite of low, high, HIGH, high. Okay, low and high. Opposite of small, big. Opposite of down, up, UP, up. And opposite of tall is short, SHORT, short. Then okay, next question, easy, very easy. So we have done, that's why we have done the question answer. 2 questions were left, so I have sent this back exercise along the questions because it is not this much, so you can all can do now. So look at the picture, page 4, tick the sentences that are true, write them on the blanks. Maya and Raj are in the park, Maya and Raj are in school. So where they were? In the park. So we will put here tick, which is the correct, we will tick there. Next is Maya and Raj are eating, Maya and Raj are playing. So which is the correct answer? Maya and Raj are playing. Okay, third number, there are many flowers in the park, A part. Then B part, there are some animals in the park. Animals we have not read. When we read the story, animals were not mentioned, so there were many flowers in the park, so we will tick here flowers. Fourth, A, Maya and Raj sleep in the park. B, Maya and Raj play in the park. They sleep in the park? No, they play in the park. So the correct answer is play. So which is the correct answer? You have to write here. Suppose number 1 correct answer was Maya and Raj are in the park. This line was there, so you will mention number 1, then you will write the correct answer in these lines. Okay. Second was, the correct answer was Maya and Raj are playing. So we will write here Maya and Raj are playing. Third, there are many flowers in the park. So this is the correct answer. We will write here there are many flowers in the park. Fourth, Maya and Raj play in the park. So we will write here Maya and Raj play in the park. So we will write these lines only, which is the correct answer. Okay. Next question is your home task. This you will do yourself. I have given fun time. It is not. You can do it. You can see this is park, this is house, and this is classroom. There are some things are given to you. Okay, I will do one for you, but you have to do yourself rest. So park, SLIDE, slide. Where we can see these things, we have to mention slide. So slide we can see in the park. So we will write here SLIDE, slide. Okay, next is DUSTER, duster. So duster we can see in the classroom. So we will write here duster here. Okay, then next is pillow, PILLOW, pillow. So pillow we will write here. Okay, in this way you will do it yourself. This is your home task. You will do yourself. You will see the things, read the spellings, then do yourself where we can see these things. Okay, hope this is clear to all. So that's all for today. Take care. God bless you all.